taking a look at Amazon because it did say it's bracing for a tougher business climate in the coming months, which really is echoing those concerns that we've heard from a range of companies about tariffs, related economic turmoil, and how potentially it might crimp consumer spending. And when it reported results earlier this week, it actually posted a decent first quarter, but it said its operating profit in the current period would be weaker than what Wall Street analysts had been anticipating. And in issuing its forecast, it said its results may be materially affected by many factors, including tariffs and trade policies.
And the tariff was only mentioned once in their release, too. So you have to wonder, like, how much hedging there was around that. Also, let's take a look at Wendy's. So that stock up by 0.8%, but didn't they cut their forecast?
Yeah, and I love talking about a company that maybe, we use, or you can just stop by on your way home from work, get a Frosty. Its shares are up 1%. As of right now, maybe amid this broader rally that we're seeing, but it did lower its sales outlook for the year, and it's just the latest restaurant chain to take a hit from potential consumer unease about the shaky economic conditions. As we just mentioned, the U.S. is facing a challenging consumer environment, its CEO said.
Just looking at some reporting from MarketWatch, U.S. same restaurant sales, they fell for the first time since the height of the pandemic. That's interesting. I didn't know it'd been on such a strong winning streak. So something has changed maybe. So in terms of the consumer.
Yeah, important to keep track of, what these companies are saying about the state of the consumer, especially something, like I said, we can stop by on our way home from work and pick up a Frosty, but maybe people are doing that less and less these days.
Well, I mean, that's in some way discretionary, right? All right, let's go to Duolingo. I'm wrapping it up here. Talk about discretionary. You would think that learning a language or using other tools, that would be discretionary, but that stock's up 16%.
Right, exactly. It's soaring today, and it's actually one of those stocks that is up for the year. It's up more than 50% for the year, given including today's gains. But it raised its full year sales and profit outlook. It cited artificial intelligence offerings as helping to drive some of that demand towards its higher price subscriptions. Shares are up for the year, and subscriptions for its highest tier products, which is called Duolingo Max, continued to grow, in part because of these new AI features. I'm a Duolingo user. Really? If I can brag, I have a 1,827-day streak.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Wow. What language?
In French.
Wow. So are you fluent now?
No, I wish I were. But I do try to take daily lessons. I do not pay for the subscriptions, though. But it does seem to be working with some consumers. Some people are attracted to these offerings.
Do you feel like it's working for you? Are you learning?
Yes, I'm definitely learning. Okay. Yeah, it's just taking a long time.
The CEO was just on Open Interest and said that to learn Chinese, you got to do like 2,000 hours. Wow. But it works. You just have to do it. And he was saying that basically a lot of people do it, but they don't finish it. And then that's where they don't get the real fluency. Except for Spanish, it was 500 hours.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I'm at this streak where I can't stop. I can't go back to zero, so I have to do a daily lesson for the rest of my life.
Internal competition. All right. Thanks so much. Really appreciate it. Bloomberg's Vildana Herrick joining us. For more conversations just like this, listen to our new Stock Movers podcast. Subscribe for 5-minute episodes on the biggest winners and losers in the stock market. Listen to Stock Movers on Apple, Spotify, or anywhere you get your podcast.